Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best robot vacuum for carpet. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a robot vacuum cleaner, money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Proscenic 830P Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name, Proscenic. Model number, 830P Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Washing vacuum home carpet cleaner. App control and Alexa voice control, with the Proscenic Home app or Alexa voice control. Skill name, Proscenic Robot. You can do cleaning plans, change cleaning modes, start or stop cleaning from anywhere, etc. IPANS 2.0 Intelligent Cleaning System. The real-time positioning in an apartment plan can help the robot determine its position and then to effectively plan the cleaning based on the room plans so that the system is cleaned. 350 ml water tank. The water is filtered evenly and the wipe is always kept at the right humidity. During the loading phase, the water tank produces no water. Magnetic tape for the limitation. With the magnetic tape, you can lock an area or an entire room in which the robot should not enter. Boost carpet detection. The professional carpet detection automatically recognizes the carpet and switches to provide maximum suction to clean it. Number 4. Xiaomi Mihia Robot Vacuum. Brand name, Xiaomi. Model number, Mihia Sweeping Mopping Robot G1. 2200 pascals large suction power, deep into the gap and efficient cleaning. 4 kinds of suction to meet various cleaning needs. Electronically controlled water tank, 3 water outlet modes, care for the floor. Equipped with 200 ml electronically controlled water tank, 3 adjustment modes, effective and even water round, care for the floor. Suspended suction mouth, mop and dense main brush can easily deal with all kinds of ground. The 3-layer filter system effectively filters dust. The 3-layer fine filtration system can filter 3-micron dust to avoid secondary pollution. 82 mm ultra-thin body, the thickness of the fuselage is only 82 mm, free to walk, and the cleaning coverage is higher. Smart route planning, intelligent navigation and precise positioning. Create a map of the whole house in real time, plan a cleaning route, and clean all corners of the room. Intelligent navigation and precise positioning. Create a map of the whole house in real time. Connect My Home app, remote control. 2500 mAh large capacity battery, long battery life. Number 3. Ilife V7s Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name, Ilife. Model number, V7s Plus. Ilife V7s Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Sweep and wet mopping disinfection for hard floors and carpet. Run 120 minutes. Automatically charge. 2-in-1 V-shaped brush and floating roller brush. Equipped with an anti-tangle suction mouth, V7s Plus can clean the pet hair easily without hair entanglement problem. Vacuum and mopping simultaneously. Especially combined dustbin with water tank, V7s Plus can vacuum and at the meantime mop the floor automatically, avoiding and saving the inconvenience and the time to replace tank. OBS All-Terrain Detection System. V7s Plus has a whole set of terrain detection sensors, allowing it to complete cleaning tasks autonomously. Multiple cleaning modes, edge cleaning mode, spot cleaning mode, auto cleaning mode. 300 ml dustbin capacity. Clean automatically at any time you want. Number 2. Liectroux C30B Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name, Liectroux. Model number, Liectroux C30B. The robot can detect the entire environment around and then build up the map inside the CPU so that it do cleaning with plan from one room after another. The robot is with memory to know where has cleaned while where hasn't, thus one-time sweeping coverage is more than 98%. The cleaning path repetition rate is about 1%. Humanized design with voice reminder. The robot will remind you when charging, starts to do cleaning, full of dustbin or glitch, etc. High efficient cleaning, the suction power is pretty strong. The design of primary filter combining with HEPA filter avoids the secondary air pollution. Besides, the suction power is adjustable so that we could choose a quieter mode. Wi-Fi app control. The Wi-Fi connection is extremely swift, the app can show real-time working route of the robot. Electric control water tank ensures even water seepage. The water seepage stops automatically if robot stops working. The huge water volume of 350 milliliters ensures continuous wet mopping up to 100 minutes. The design of interchangeable dustbin and water tank makes robot work more effectively and clean more thoroughly. Modularized design is convenient for end users to maintain the robots by themselves. Fully enclosed body design ensures that the dust cannot enter into the mainboard, preventing the mainboard from being corroded. Number 1. ABIR X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name, ABIR. Model number, ABIR X6. High efficiency cleaning, camera real-time location by hundreds of different objects. Support remote upgrade of firmware and software, keep your robot vacuum in best position. Lifetime upgrade free of charge. Map upload and storage on app, when your next time use, it will show history map of your room. Hand drawing virtual blocker on app, get rid of virtual blocker or magnetic stripe. Drawing specified cleaning area as you want. Breakpoint continue cleaning. 600 milliliters big dustbin, unique leak-proof design. Remember where the charge base, go back to charge base in shortest way. 3-level adjustable suction power, mute, normal, max. Intelligent water tank. Electric controlled water tank allows water to flow only during movement. Electric pump controlled, more accuracy. Stable infiltration, mop and dry, no water stains, no moving, no infiltration. 3-level adjustable water tank level, slow, normal, quick. Automatic detection of soft and hard ground system to improve product path stability and cleaning coverage.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.